Alright, what is going on YouTube? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video. Today has been a very long day, so if I look kind of tired, that is why. It is currently 11 p.m, but that is not stopping us from making another unboxing, another first impressions video. I am so excited because we have got the M3 Pro MacBook Pro. Base model, 14 inches. This thing is no joke. It's heavy, it's $3,000, and I'm excited for a special reason. So without any further ado, here is the box. We got the beautiful, highly branded M3 lineup wallpaper that many of you guys have seen on social media. So there it is, beautiful to have it in studio. Beautiful box. We're just gonna flip that right aside. It is pretty heavy. And here's the back of the laptop itself. You can see that we got the base model of the M3 Pro. So 18 gigabytes of unified memory, which is basically RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD storage, 11 core CPU, 14 core GPU, and then we got the 14.2 inch XDR liquid retina display. It has many ports. I mean, I cannot wait to unbox this thing. It is time to unbox a MacBook for the first time on the channel. So let's go right ahead, right over here. Beautiful. Next one, I got the biggest smile on my face. I mean, M3 MacBook, we got it in silver. Beautiful. Flip that aside, right down here. The moment of truth, guys. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So it does come in the space black color. So matter of fact, Apple would always have like space gray colors for their MacBooks. They also have like the midnight that's right over here for the M2 Air. Now this year, they're bringing in something that's called space black. So it's literally just deep matte looking black, which is super nice. Now that is only available for the M3 Pro and M3 Max configurations. The base M3 still has the normal space gray. Today I decided to get the silver version, and maybe we're going to be checking out the space black in another video. But yeah, everyone has been doing space black videos on the M3. I wanted to check out the silver of the M3 Pro specifically. So right under the hood, you guys can see that we have the little pull tab right over here. Beautiful. We're just gonna set that aside. And then we have obviously our MagSafe charger right over there. Beautiful. And then we have our Apple usual information right in here. I'm gonna pull that out. MacBook Pro, and what else is in it? Apple stickers. Interesting, we got some Apple stickers in black, which is pretty beautiful. I believe that is it. At first, I thought that this was an Apple like polishing cloth, this little like thick white rectangle brick. I thought it was an Apple polishing cloth, but unfortunately, it's just part of the packaging. And then right under here, we have got the charging block, charging brick, right over here. Now, pretty interesting because for the M3 whole lineup, whether it's the base, the Pro, or the Max, if you got the silver, obviously your cables and your power brick are gonna match. Matter of fact, for the space gray and for the space black, they do not match. Some of them have a white tip with a black cable, and others are just all white. So I really hope that we're gonna start seeing every accessory with space gray, space black, whatever that's dark colored. I really hope that we could see like accessories that are dark colored, because when you have like a black computer and then you get a white cable, it just throws everything off. I mean, quick fun fact, let me just turn this off. Alexa right over here, sorry if I activated yours, she used to come with a black cable for the white ones, but Amazon finally replaced the white one with white, device, and then black device with a black cable. So I really hope that Apple can do that. Now, matter of fact, this is the Echo Dot that I have right over here. So click right up here on the channel if you'd like to go see that review. But that is the unboxing, the first impressions of the M3 Pro for you guys. I mean, I am absolutely happy. It was a long dream to have an M3 in the studio, and to finally have one after its release back at the Apple event 2023 in September, to actually have it in my hands sitting like this right here. Like, I will hug it. Like, this is a prized possession, guys. M3 Pro, like, it's crazy, it's insane. I'm so happy. So that's my unboxings, that's my first impressions. Unboxing process, super simple, super straightforward, yet very satisfying, because obviously it is an Apple product. And my first impressions, very beautiful. I mean, there's not much to be disappointed about. The color, it looks pretty good through the plastic. Now, I will not fully unwrap it because we're gonna save that for a TikTok, for an Instagram reel, and for a YouTube short. So if you want to go see that, make sure to see Techrific It Is on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, wherever you want to check it out for the unwrapping of the device itself. And other than that, that has been Alex from Techrific. I mean, M3 Pro in silver. I'm happy, and I do highly recommend this laptop because it's a beast of a laptop. If you guys would like me to get more into the technical aspects of it, what it can do, if it can't do anything, that's just me being biased, and what it can do, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below, comment, like, with notifications to make me in the know about what you guys want to know. That has been my M3 Pro unboxing, first impressions, kind of speechless, but super happy. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.